In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove price history from Zillow 2026 guide. Zillow doesn't offer a simple delete button for price history because much of that information comes from public county records. However, if entries are incorrect, outdated, or raise a genuine privacy concern, you can request suppression or correction through Zillow's support team. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that with clear language that gives you the best chance of success. Start by opening your web browser and heading to zillow.zendesk.com. That's Zillow's help center. To jump straight to the form, you need add WASH-HONE's requests new to the end of the URL. This takes you directly to the Submit a Request page, which saves time and avoids digging through general FAQs. Using a desktop browser can make the form easier to complete, but mobile works too. On the form, identify yourself as the homeowner or home seller. Zillow gives priority to verified owners, so choosing the accurate role helps route your ticket appropriately. Have your full property address ready and enter it exactly as it appears on official records. Consistent formatting reduces back and forth and helps the data team find the correct listing. Next, draft your suppression request. In the subject line, use something straightforward like Request for Price History Suppression, your address. In the description field, clearly explain why the entry should be removed or corrected. Avoid I don't like it as a reason. Zillow is legally allowed to show public data. Instead, specify whether the information is incorrect, such as a sale price that doesn't match the actual transaction, outdated, like an expired listing that never closed, or a valid privacy concern. Be precise. List the exact dates and price points you want suppressed. If you have documentation, such as a closing statement or public record excerpt, you can reference that to support your claim. When the form asks for a category, choose Listing Issue for Sale by Owner. Even if your home isn't currently on the market, then select Edit Listing as the subtype. This combination routes your ticket to the team that handles listing data and historical records. Finish by completing the reCAPTCHA and clicking Submit. You'll receive a confirmation email with a ticket number. Save it for your records. Zillow typically reviews these requests within 3 to 7 business days. They may reach out to verify your identity or ask for proof that the record is inaccurate. So keep an eye on your inbox and respond promptly. Keep your tone factual, concise, and polite. And that is all for today. Navigating public record data can be tricky, but a formal suppression request is your best chance at a clean property history. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.